I really can't believe it. Tama ang sinabi ni Jude. For 10 years ago, pinapangarap lang natin yung Tingog. Kaya yung Tingog dati ay sa local party. At we were speaking in the house, in my house, over 10 years ago. And we had a dream about making it into a regional party to serve District Bisayas. My oh my, we've not only realized the dream, but now we are serving the entire country with over 200 Tingog centers throughout. As I said, Tingog started as a dream, a vision to give voice to those who have long been unheard. Kaya Tingog, kaya yung mga hindi waray, Tingog means the voice. And look where we are now. Tingog is no longer an idea. It's a movement that has changed lives. It has definitely changed mine. From Leyte to every corner of the region and across the country, we have built something that indeed truly matters. We have reached you, communities that perhaps need us most. We have brought medical missions, scholarships, livelihood programs, and disaster relief to families who thought they have been forgotten. We have shown what real, genuine public service is all about. This was never about politics. This was all about people, about you, about every volunteer, about every supporter, about every ordinary Filipino who believe that things can happen, that things can be better. And guess what? Together we have. But we are far from finished. As the poem goes, we still have miles to go before we sleep. So, there are still families struggling. There are still communities waiting for help. That is why we continue. That is why we struggle. Because we know that with unity, with hard work, and with our shared commitment, we can do so much more. I still can't believe it when I see all of you from all over the Philippines. We are here today. To all of you who have been part of this journey, thank you. Thank you so much. You all have meant the world to us, Tingog. You, I believe, will not forget the time when we were down. Post-Yolanda. O naman, parang wala na natitira dito sa ating rehiyon. Hindi lang Tacloban, hindi lang Distrito, Provincia, Samar, all across the region, devastated. But nung nangyari yun, akala natin wala na. Pero all of you came to us. All of you came to our aid, and kaya umamon kami. Ito na naman ang Tacloban, ang Distrito, ang Provincia, ang Rehiyon. All because of you. You have really been the force that brought us not just all together, but brought us up. You really are the strength. Your passion and your dedication has made what is today. And I know together that we can even reach greater heights. And with that, I just want to congratulate all of the Tingog organization, all of those of you who have organized the National Summit today. It is very heartwarming to see all of you here in Palo, because this is where it started in our district, and our dreams were quite, well, humble to say the least. We thought that we would be bold, but compared to what we achieved, modest and humble, because what we have today is beyond our dreams, beyond our imaginations. Thank you, thank you. Damo salamat talaga. Padayan ang laban, padayan ang misyon, mabuhay ang Tingog Partylist. Mabuhay ang tunay na boses ng bayan. Mabuhay ang sapayan ng Pilipinas. Salamat dito sa National Summit 2025. Congratulations.